Enough of spinning wheels in the mud, wasting time on campaigns that fall flat, drowning in the noise while your message gets swallowed by the endless scroll. You know the pain, pouring everything into a hashtag campaign, seeing barely a ripple, feeling invisible in a world shouting louder and louder. It's maddening. It's humiliating. The frustration gnaws at your gut every time you watch someone else's hashtag explode overnight, while your work feels invisible, like screaming in an empty room. But here's the brutal truth that nobody tells you. Virality isn't luck. It's not about some mystical formula or chasing trends like a headless chicken. It's about locking down one thing that most miss: real human ignition. Not fake followers, not bot bots, but raw, explosive connection that sets off a chain reaction you never thought possible. What turns a hashtag from zero to wildfire? It's the fire of emotion. Real, raw, fierce emotion that ripples with every share, every comment, every mention. But don't waste your time with cheap outrage or hollow memes. It has to be something that cuts so deep it sparks a need. Something that makes people say, "This is me, this is us, this is the fight we fight." The best campaigns trap a problem everybody silently lives with and throws it into the open, begging for a solution, for allies, for revolution. Stop thinking small. This isn't about product features or shallow slogans. It's about clear, uncompromising purpose that screams, "We're here to break your chains and rewrite the rules." If your hashtag doesn't feel like a battle cry, it won't move. Period. Here's the secret most leaders miss. It's not about casting the widest net, but about striking the right nerve. The ones who break the internet don't beg for attention. They command it by connecting to a tribe of the restless, the hungry, the rebels desperate for change. So stop targeting everyone. Narrow your aim to the few who already carry the spark, who burn with dissatisfaction and are itching for a real way out. Give those people the tool to unite beneath your hashtag, a place to gather, share, and amplify. Because virality isn't a solo sprint, it's a wildfire of trust, passed hand to hand. Build your campaign like a fortress for the misfits, the leaders, the changemakers who refuse to accept the status quo. They will carry your message farther than any paid ad ever could. But calling them isn't enough. You must feed the fire every minute. Keep the energy raw. Inject your posts with urgency and emotion so fierce it's impossible to scroll past. Use stories, not stats. Show real faces, real struggles, real moments of breakthrough. Make your hashtag a stamp of identity, a badge of honor for those brave enough to wear it in a world that insists on silence and submission. The moment your hashtag becomes a declaration of freedom, a symbol of refusal to be small, that is the moment it breaks out. Remember, people don't share ads. They share stories they believe in. So your job is to craft a story so sharp, so true, it cuts through the noise like a blade. Then comes the relentless momentum. Viral campaigns are living beasts. They need attention, nurturing, and relentless evolution. Don't let your hashtag die with the first wave. Keep feeding it victories. Highlight your tribe's wins, share their breakthroughs, amplify their voices louder than your own. Make them partners in a movement bigger than any brand or system. This is what separates the campaigns that fade in a day from the ones that change perspectives forever. No more excuses. No more waiting for permission or chasing outdated tactics. If this frustration burns inside like a fire, take this moment to act. Harness that anger, that refusal to settle for mediocre reach, and turn it into unstoppable momentum. Give your hashtag the soul and purpose it needs to ignite millions overnight. This is a challenge and a gift. It's the power few dare to wield, to ignite connection, to break illusions, and to make the world pay attention. Now is the time to stop chasing echoes and start setting fires. Your next hashtag campaign isn't just a post, it's a revolution. Get ready to make it explode.